A warning from Moscow, a standoff in Washington, and a threat echoing from Tehran. Is the world standing on the edge of a bigger war? Well, this is not just another geopolitical statement. This is not just another diplomatic warning. This is a message that mentions the unthinkable. World War III. Because a senior Russian lawmaker has now issued a chilling alert saying that if the United States launches military strikes on Iran, the conflict may not stay limited. It could spread, it could escalate, and it could spiral into a global crisis. In fact, Moscow raises the alarm here. The warning came from Vladimir Dezhnev, a powerful member of Russia's foreign affairs leadership. That's right. Speaking publicly in Moscow, he cautioned that any American missile strike or invasion of Iran could trigger consequences far beyond Iran's border. According to him, retaliation would not stay local. It would pull in neighboring countries as well. It would shake the global market and it could push the nuclear tensions to dangerous level, basically. In simple words, he's warning the world about a chain reaction. In the meantime, Washington's growing military pressure is there. Yes, at the very same time, the US has been increasing its military presence in the Middle East. Be it warships, be it aircraft carriers, missile defense systems, surveillance aircraft. Now, these deployments, they are meant to send a message of deterrence, showing that Washington is prepared for confrontation if nuclear negotiations with Iran fail. But military build-ups, they also create fear because history shows us heavy troop deployment often raise the risk of accidental escalation. In the meantime, Iran's leadership has made it crystal clear. Their supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has warned that any American attack would not remain a small conflict. He has repeatedly stated that such actions could ignite a regional war, pulling in multiple Middle Eastern nations. Well, Iran has also emphasized that it does not want war, but it will respond forcefully if attacked. Now, that particular message is designed to create deterrence, but it also raises the tension. And then we have Strait of Hormuz, the world's most dangerous oil choke point. One of the biggest fears surrounding a US-Iran conflict revolves around geography here. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important oil routes in the world. Nearly 1/4 of global oil shipments passes through this narrow waterway. So, Iran has long hinted that if war breaks out, it could block or disrupt this route. And ladies and gentlemen, if that happens, global energy prices could explode overnight and the economic shock, it would be felt from Asia to Europe to North America. And now Russia is speaking. Russia's warning is not just about global stability here, it is also about strategic interest. Russia remains close diplomatic and military cooperation with Iran. Both countries oppose America's dominance in global security affairs, and both are connected through regional allies and defense partnership. Now, by issuing this warning, Moscow is practically sending a message that escalation with Iran could indirectly involve larger power rivalries.